So we start the example of the reflex action or reflex arc. First of all, see that students, this diagram shows the coordinated action, all the components of the coordinated action. So first of all, before starting this example, you should see the component: stimulus first component, receptor second. These act as the coordinator, spinal cord, effectors fourth point, and the response is the fifth component. So when your hand touches the hot object, and hot object is act as the stimulus, when your hand touches the hot object, then a nerve impulse is produced in your hand or arm body. The receptors which are present in your hand or fingers, toes, these receptors are the pain receptors or the temperature receptors, and these receptors are activate and produce a nerve impulse, and these nerve impulse follow the pathway of the sensory neuron and it moves towards the spinal cord. When this nerve impulse moves towards the spinal cord, and here the interneurons receives the nerve impulse, then these interneurons moves the nerve impulse towards the motor neurons, and here the spinal cord act as the coordinator. The basic component of the interneuron is act as a coordinator, where the sensory neurons give message to the interneurons, and then interneurons give message towards the motor neurons, and these motor neurons passes towards the effectors. Effectors are muscle glands. These motor neurons give message to the effectors, and these effectors and then the effectors or muscles perform the quick response, and the last component is response, and we pull our hand back from the hot object. This is the example which shows how the reflex action is performed. Students, see this diagram again. First of all, when your hand touch to the hot object is the stimuli, then the receptor which is present on your hand, fingers or toes, pain or temperature receptors, these receptors are activate and produce a nerve impulse. These nerve impulse moving through the sensory neuron towards the coordinator, and here spinal cord act as the coordinator, and these nerve impulse then move towards the interneurons, and from interneurons towards the motor neurons, and these motor neurons moves the nerve impulse towards the effectors, and the muscles, our arm muscles, are act as the effectors, so that these effectors, these nerve impulses give the message to effectors to pull our hand back. So pulling the hand back is known as the quick response. So this is the example which shows the reflex action and reflex arc in detail. Thank you class. It's all about our today topic. See your book. Reflex action starts from here and it lasts from here. Thank you class.